The Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard is surprisingly returning in 2025. Are you excited for these? If I'm going to be 100% honest, I definitely need a pair. I was unable to get my hands on a pair back in 2015. I was in high school around 16 years old, didn't really have the funds for these, so couldn't cop, obviously. Now, in 2025, I'm a grown adult, I got a job, I'm chilling, I'm going to get my hands on this pair, and I'll even pay resale if I have to. At this point, the economy is kind of down, so they can't go for any more than really $250 anyway. But the goal is retail, as always. In celebration for 40 years of Jordan Brand, Nike is set in 2025 to bring back a plethora of hype Jordan Brand releases. Every pair that's coming in 2025 is iconic. This might be the first time we've ever had a sneaker year like this. We have the return of the Jordan 1 Bread, Jordan 3 Black Cat, and the Jordan 5 Grape, among a plethora of other sneakers. The Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard is expected to have the exact same color blocking as its original back in, I think, 2015. It's a great decision from Nike and Jordan Brand not to make these a remastered or reimagined pair, seeing that 2025 is also the 10th anniversary of the Shattered Backboards. I can't believe it's been 10 years. And if you didn't know or haven't heard, the 2015 Shattered Backboard is like the pinnacle of Jordan 1 quality, the pinnacle of sneaker quality. It's the shoe that everyone wanted. It's the shoe that everybody loved. And it's also the shoe that some people love to hate. For some reason, this shoe had higher quality leather than all the other pairs. At least that's what people say, because I wouldn't know. I don't have a pair or ever touched a pair. But this shoe is in sneaker history of one of the best quality pairs of Jordan 1s, one of the best quality pairs of Jordans in general. So Nike and Jordan Brand better bring back the quality for the 2025 retro pair. I like them, I want them, I gotta have them, I'm copping them. The question is, will you?